Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great at your home. Welcome back to our computer lesson. So in the previous lesson, we learned about the Google Sheets, and after that, we learned about the difference between the Google Sheet and MS Excel. So the basic difference between the Google Sheet and MS Excel is you don't you if you are working offline, then you have to use the MS Excel. But if you are working online on the internet, then you have to use the Google Sheets. So basically, if you are working on a Google Sheets, then you have to use the there must be an internet. ठीक है, इंटरनेट के बगैर आप उसके ऊपर काम नहीं कर सकते. बट इफ यू वांट टू डू द योर वर्क ऑफलाइन, अगर आप ऑफलाइन काम करना चाहते हैं, देन यू हैव टू यूज द MS Excel because both have the same interface and both are doing the exactly same work. ठीक है, दोनों का इंटरफेस भी सेम है and both are doing the same work. दोनों both are used for calculations, both are used to make reports, both are used for making graphs. Okay, so basically the both are same, but the basic difference is the Google Sheets are used on internet, but the MS Excel we can use it without internet. So today we will discuss the interface of MS Excel, that is exactly the same like the Google Sheet, and after that we will discuss about how we can how we can copy our cell contents, and how we can delete it, how we can arrange it, how we can make the alignment, how we can save our work, and how we can take the printout. Is it clear to everyone? So first we will open the MS Excel. Okay, it is exactly the same. So here is a blank workbook. You have to click on it, and now you can see that there is exactly the same interface as the Google Sheets. There is one more difference, that is in the Google Sheet you don't need to save your work. आपको अपना काम सेव करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, but if you are working with the MS Excel, then you have to save your work. आपको अपना काम खुद से सेव करना पड़ेगा, because it will not automatically save your work. Okay, so look at here, this is your title bar, because the book 1 is the name of this Excel sheet. इस Excel sheet का जो name है, that is a book 1, so that's why it is known as the title bar. And after that you can see here it is exactly same like the Google Sheet. So there is a file, home, insert option, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help, and tell me about what you want. So these are the tools that help us to do the work in the MS Excel. So that's why it is known as a tool bar. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Tool bar. But on the home page, if you can see, there is a paste option, bold, italic, underline. In the previous lesson we briefly discussed about how we can enter a text in the row and column, and after that how we can make our text bold, italic, underline, how we can color our text, or how we can highlight our text. Okay, so we learned it in our previous lesson, how we can change the writing style and the size of our text. So and after that we learn about, I think, how we can merge our cells. हम अपने cells को कैसे merge कर सकते हैं और उसको कैसे दोबारा से undo and redo कर सकते हैं. We learn it about in our previous lesson. And by default in a Google Sheet and in the MS Excel there is only one sheet. Okay, there is only one workbook. एक ही workbook होगी. You can see at the bottom of your page. आप अपने bottom page के देख सकते हैं. There is only one sheet, and if you want to add new sheet, then you have to click on the plus icon. So it will create the sheet, new sheet. Okay, so this is your formula bar. You can write the formula here, and this one is the name of your box. It will tell about what is the address of the cell on you are working. आप जिस cell के ऊपर work कर रहे हैं, what is the address of that cell? उस cell का address क्या है? It will tell you about that. ठीक है? So the vertical lines that are starting with the alphabet is known as the column, but the horizontal lines that are starting with the number are known as row. Okay, and after that we learn about the active cell. So the cell on which we are currently working is known as active cell. And after that we the last topic we learn about the cell range. So basically cell range is a group of cells, and to identify the cell, first we have to look at the first column, first cell of the we have to put a colon between the two values. And the last step is we have to see the last column, last cell of the cell range. For example, this one is your cell range. Then you have to look at the first column, first cell. So this is the first F1 is the F is the first column, and the F1 is the first cell in the selected area. So it is the cell. F1 के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? First we have to write the F1, and after that we have to put the colon. And the last step is we have to look at the last column. That the last column of the selected area is K, and the last cell of this selected area is K. 15. So the cell range of this selected area is F1 to K15. Is it clear to everyone how to find out the cell range? And after that we learn about the how we can enter the data, and how we can make it more beautiful. Okay, how we can add the color, how we can increase the size, how we can change the writing style of that text. Okay, so now today we will do practical work of फॉर्मूला बार कि हम फॉर्मूला बार को कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डू एग्जांपल वीकली एक्सपेंसेस फॉर द मंथ इन रुपीज़. हम कि हमने एक मंथ में हाउ मैनी रुपीज़ वी स्पेंड इन वन वीक, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट. एंड आफ्टर दैट इन how many weeks are there in 1 month. So there are 4 weeks, so we have to identify how many rupees we spend in week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 separately. ठीक है कि हमने week 1, 2 और 3 और 4 में कितने पैसे जो हैं वो spend किए हैं. We have to find out it. Okay, so the heading is first we have to merge it. हमें इसको merge करना पड़ेगा. So how we can merge it? You have to use this one. Okay, आपने first you have to select the cells, how many cells you want to merge. So I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 cells to merge. आपने उनको select किया, and then you have to click this option, the merge and the center. Okay, and now I am writing here the weekly expenses for the month in rupees. Okay, so this is the heading. And how many weeks are there in 1 month? So there are 4 weeks. So week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Okay, so how you can now we are going to अलाइन इट. हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर वी वांट टू मेक इट सेंटर अलाइन, हम इसको क्या करना चाहते हैं, इसको सेंटर में शो करना चाहते हैं. तो सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट ऑल ऑफ दिस टेक्स्ट एंड नाउ गो टू द ऑप्शन अलाइनमेंट हियर. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस इज योर लेफ्ट अलाइन लेफ्ट, दिस इज योर सेंटर अलाइनमेंट, दिस इज योर line align right, and these are your डिक्रीज इंडेंट. ठीक है, ये आपको क्या करेगा, आपका सारा किस तरफ मूव कर देगा, आपकी जो सॉरी लेफ्ट साइड है उसको थोड़ा सा टिल्ट कर मूव कर देगा टू द राइट साइड. ओके, सो वी वांट टू मेक इट इन अ सेंटर अलाइन. आप इसको क्या करना चाहते हैं, यू हैव टू मेक इट इन अ सेंटर ऑफ योर सेल. आप अपने सेल के सेंटर में लिखना चाहते हैं, देन यू हैव टू यूज द सेंटर अलाइनमेंट. ओके, and after that in the first month you buy books. In the month you buy books, okay, clothes, and after that you spend your money on food and gift. Okay, and last one you have to make the total of this रुपीज़, ठीक है। आपने वीक वन में कितने, हाउ मेनी मनी यू हैव स्पेंड इन द वीक वन, इन अ वीक टू एंड वीक थ्री एंड वीक फोर, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट सेपरेटली. So in for example, in a book, week one, you spend 200 rupees on books. Week two, you have spent again 200, and week three you spend 100. Sorry, in a week one you spend 200 rupees on books, 200 rupees on clothes, and 100 rupees on food, and 100 rupees again, or a 300 rupees on gifts. So this is your week one expenses that you spend on book, clothes, food and gift. Okay, आपने ये सारा कुछ इस पे spend किया है. But I am taking the sample data. मैं एक sample ले रही हूँ. So you can write the random number. So now we are going how we can copy our content. हम अपने इन numbers को कैसे दोबारा से copy कर सकते हैं. First you have to select these cells you want to copy, and then you have to press Control C. You have to press Control C, and after that you have to select the area where you want to paste it, and you have to press Control V. Okay. And then you have to select the cell where you want to paste it, and after that you have to click on Control and V. आपने क्या press करना है? Control and V, and now you can see the same. This one is, this text or content is copy from here, and we paste it in the week two with the help of Control V. We can copy with the help of Control C, and we can paste the text or the content with the help of Control V. And similarly, we are pasting it in week two and week four again. Okay, so now you can see here we can change a little bit here. For example, it's 1000, 50 here, and here is 30 rupees. Okay, so the next task is we have to calculate these all terms, and we have to write the total sum in of the week one below the in front of the total of the below the week one. ठीक है, week one के last पर total के सामने हमने क्या लिखना है? week one का total expense that we spend on in week one. ठीक है, and then similarly for week two, week three and week four. So what should we do? We have to first we have to select the cell where we want to write the total of the week one. So this is the cell that is C10. You can see from here, this is the C10 cell address. So first you have to select it, and then after that you have to select the formula bar, because we are writing the formula here. So in the in maths, what should we do? We have to write the equal sign first. हमें equal का sign first लगाना पड़ता है. So similarly in that case we have to write the equal sign first, and after that we have to write the formula here. So first we have to count 200. तो हमने 200 को प्लस करना. We have to, what is the formula here? 200 plus 200 plus 100 plus 30. So instead of writing the numbers, we have to write the cell address. हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? We have to write the cell address. So the cell address of this area, this cell is C5. See, we just need to touch the cell, select the cell, and after that we want to add it. So if we what should we do? We have to write the plus sign here, and after that we have to add the next cell, that is C5, again plus sign, and then again C7 plus the C8. Okay, and after that you have to press the enter key, and now you can see here the total is 800. If you calculate 200, 200, 400, and 100, 500, and plus 300 into 500, that is 800. So you just need to select the area where you select the cell where you want to write the answer, and then place an equal sign in the formula bar, and after that you have to write the just need to select the cell address, cell of the cells you want to add, subtract, multiply or divide, and place the sign. If you want to add it, then you have to write the plus sign. If you you want to subtract it, then you have to write the minus sign between the cell addresses. Is it clear to everyone? And similarly for week 1, week 2 and week 3, you just need to select the cell and place the plus or addition sign. Okay, and after that you can press the enter key. Is it clear to everyone? You just need to write the equal sign, and then after that you have to select the cell, place the sign, and enter key. Sorry, I just need to remove this one, and after that I have to enter. Okay, again equal sign, you have to select it, and then plus sign, you have to select it. आपने जिस जिस चीज को प्लस करना है, then you have to select it and place a sign between these terms and equal sign. Equal, sorry, you have to press the enter key. Okay, so that's how we can calculate the so that's how we can calculate the weekly expenses of the first month of the month in the rupees. And after that, if you want to calculate the total of you want to calculate the sum of these terms, week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4, how many money you have to spend in a whole week. So what should we do? We can write the total here. So just you have to, now you want to identify how many money you have to spend in a 1 month. एक month में आपने कितना spend किए है money, then what should you do? We have to calculate how many money we have to spend in a week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. ठीक है, so you have to sum it all. आपने इन सबको क्या करना है, add करना है, and then you will get how many money you will spend in a 1 month. So select an area where you want to write the total of the 1 month. So you have to, for example, I am taking this cell and I am writing equal sign here, and after that I am first I have to select the week 1 total and plus sign, week 2 total, plus sign, week 3 total, plus sign, and week 4 total, and after that I have to press the enter key. So the total money I spend in a week is 3,480. Is it clear to everyone? And in week 1 we spent 800, week 2 we spent 1500, week 3 we spent 650, and week 4 we spent 530, and in a total month we spent 3,480. I want to make it prominent, then I have to use the fill color. For example, I am using the red one because it's showing the total. And now I want what I want to make it in a organized way, in a center alignment. So what should I do? I select this area, and in the alignment option I will go to the center one. Okay, so after that I want to make it bold. This one मैं इनको bold करना चाहती हूँ. I can make it italic. Okay, so this one again I want to make it bold and italic. Okay, so now you can see that how it look after I do some formatting on it. It look more attractive, organized and beautiful. Okay, so you can do it, you can practice it at your home. Today's lesson we learn about how we can add the things with the help of MS Excel, how we can calculate the monthly expenses, yearly expenses, or a weekly expenses in a month, and after that we can calculate the total money that we spend in a month and or in a year. So that's how we can calculate with the help of MS Excel or a Google Sheet. Now we are going, and after that we learn about the alignment. We learn about the how we can copy our content, or how we can paste our content. Now we will discuss about how we can save our worksheet. Now we are done with the work. In MS Excel, now we want to save our work, because it is not Google Sheet that will save your work automatically. We have to save our work. हमें अपना काम जो है वो खुद ब खुद सेव करना पड़ेगा. Then how we can save it, हम इसको कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं? Then you have to go to the file option, and after that you have to go to the save as option, and then I want to save my work on a desktop. You have to select the desktop here, and then you have to write the name of your file. For example, I am giving it the name class 6, and then I want to make it where I want to save it. I want to save it on a desktop, and now you can change the save type. You can make it in a PDF format. You can use a CSV. You can use the tag TXT, HTML. You can use anything from here. You can use any type of the document, but I'm not changing it because I want to save it in the original file. I want to save it in the Excel workbook. Simply after writing the name, I have to press on a save option. Okay, now you can see it will change the name of your workbook or a Excel sheet, because we save it, हमने इसको save कर लिया है, and now you can see I save it on a desktop. So this is your desktop, and this is your file that you save currently. ठीक है, जिसको आपने अभी सेव किया है, it will show exactly the destination where you save it. Okay, so the next step is how we learn about how we can print it. हम इसको print कैसे करेंगे? So simply you can press the control P. आप कंट्रोल पी के ऊपर भी प्रेस कर सकते हैं, और if you don't know about the shortcut, then what should you do? You have to click on the file option, and then after, look at here, there is a print option. You can click on print. Okay, this is the preview. It will show you how many pages are there, one of one, because we did the work in one page, one single page. कितने pages हैं? Only one page, and this is how your page will look after we take out the print. You can simply tell them tell the printer how many copies you want. If you want more copies, so you can increase it or decrease it. For example, I am wanting only 4 or 1 for I want to copy it 6 times, and you have to write 6, and after that you have to click on the print. Okay, print option, and it will take out the print. So that's all for today's lesson. You have to practice it at your home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.